He was a small YouTuber. Dreams were his only strength. His father was gone. His mother worked hard for him. He said, "Mom, one day I will make you proud." She smiled. But her eyes were tired. Every night he made videos. 0 views. 0 likes. One day, his mother became sick. Hospital lights were cold. Doctor said, "Treatment is expensive." He felt helpless. That night he uploaded a video. Title: "Mom, I am trying." He said in the video, "If you are watching, please pray for my mother." Next morning, the video was viral. Thousands of people prayed. People donated money. His mother got treatment. When his mother opened her eyes, she smiled and said quietly, "I knew your dream would save us." Sometimes, your struggle is someone's hope. Never stop.